Morning, Steve Freed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Hope everybody had a good weekend. This is probably the first time in a long time that we saw an actual weather front move across the Midwest that provided scattered showers for many locations. That front is now moving east and providing rain right now for parts of northern Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, and even parts of the southern plains. We'll be watching Isaac and seeing where it makes landfall. The best guess right now is just east of New Orleans. That could come in as a Category 3 hurricane and could provide some rains for the Delta, which might help the Mississippi River, and then move east for the rest of the week. May miss some of the key parts of the Midwest for some needed rainfall, especially for recharging soils for next week. As far as prices are concerned, beans are up anywhere from 14 to 15 cents overnight. Corn's up a couple of cents and wheat's about unchanged. We hear that China may have bought U.S. beans last week. They may have also bought some South American beans. So from the bean complex, it doesn't seem like we're rationing demand yet. Also, we've got some pro-farmer numbers last week showing the corn yield and the bean yield below the recent USDA September estimate, so that offered some support in the marketplace. We also had a private estimate that's kind of interesting. This group added corn and soybean planted acres because of some USDA numbers. They have a higher yield than the USDA September number, but they also have a higher demand, which gives them a lower carryout. So the market has to decide, are prices high enough to show those numbers, a little bit bigger crop, a little bit bigger demand, or is pro-farmer right and the crop is smaller and we have to go higher to ration demand? So some of the confusion of that continues. All eyes will be on Federal Reserve Chairman Bernanke. The market is kind of building a premium in it that he's going to come out with a QE3 stimulus package. If not, you could see some of the stocks and commodities take some profits and move lower. So that's a big part of this week. For the next 3 days, we'll be in Boone, Iowa at the Farm Progress Show. So stop by the ADM tent and if you have any questions about the markets. So again, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM Investor Services and ADM. And have a safe and profitable trading day.